What is your name?
My name is Taimoko Mato.
How old are you?
I am 38.
Which town and state are you from?
I'm from Tafa Bolewa local government of Bauchi State.
Bauchi State?
Yes, sir.
Why are you into this business? Gun running, selling guns, buying guns, and the likes. Why?
I have not been into the business, sir. As it is said, it was after 2013, 2023, no, 2015 election. 2 days after the election, that Boko Haram attacked our community. When the youths and the security personnel stood their ground and chased the Boko Haram, 2 of their vehicles, the Hilux Jeeps, were burned.
Burned?
Yes, sir. So before the cars were burned, that's where I picked these weapons, sir.
Who burned the cars?
The youths of the community. Yes, sir.
So when they gathered,
yes, sir,
before they set the vehicles ablaze,
yes, sir,
you carted away these weapons. How many did you take away?
I took this one and a bag with different calibers.
Why your interest in this GPMG? Why your interest?
It is the car that I just stepped in, and that is what I saw there, sir.
The only one? You didn't see any other guns?
No, sir.
This is the only one you saw?
I saw.
With the ammunition?
Yes, sir.
So why did you decide to sell the gun to somebody else?
It is because of family challenges, sir.
Family challenges?
Yes, sir.
But do you know that to be in possession of prohibited firearms of this nature is a criminal offense?
I know, sir, it is.
And you still did. Why? You decided to be a criminal?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You say?
You decided to be a criminal?
No, sir.
So what is your advice for people like you must have come across weapons like this and they have decided to keep them or to sell them? A piece of advice for them.
I'm advising those who have not been into this kind of business, or those that have started, or those that are into it, that the business is not, if you are outside the business, you see it as a lucrative business. But if you are into it, it doesn't give wealth. You will just be suffering in it, and at the end, you will be shown in the public like this, and you will be punished according to law.
What advice again do you have for those people who are criminals, who are carrying these guns to kill our colleagues, our Nigerians? What advice do you have for them?
That they should come and surrender all the weapons so that the country will live in peace, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Barrister Mato. Bamiche is here. Another barrister is here. Are we okay with them? Can they go? How old are you?
5. Ashirin.
That is 20 years.
30 ne dai aka san.
That is 30.
Yahoo Usman. 30.
30.
You are from Kaduna, or where are you from?
Kaduna.
I'm from Kaduna State.
Why did you join this gang?
Wancan shekaran da ya wuce.
Said in 2023.
He joined. Why did he join? Why?
To mu ma Yahaya din ne ya samu. Yahaya ne ya samu.
Okay, there is one Yahaya that brought him to the group.
He said he was initiated to the gang. How did they initiate you? What is the procedure? Can you tell us?
Ya dai yana same ni dai in dinga ina dauke shi a mashin ina kai su wurin da za su tafi.
Okay, initially is a bike man. So that the Yahaya used to call him for him to convey them to places. Was there any procedure to initiate them to that gang? It's like a secret cult. You yourself na pidgin outside they talk. I don't understand. Akoi.
Ba abun da ka koya mu.
Okay, there's no any initiation, no procedure.
But you have been getting money. You have been enjoying proceeds from them.
To ni dai duk inda na kai su lokaci suna biya ni, wani lokaci ba su biya ni ba. Wani lokacin dai abin da suka biya ni duka da total kudin na miliyan ne.
Initially, they will pay him as a bike man before he eventually joined the gang.
Okay. Yeah, they said he actually attacked one person for not giving him motorbike. He further explained that he used part of this proceeds to purchase a motorbike, which he used in transporting. Idris Abdullahi, the second arrested victim, revealed that he had contacted Yahoo's man with the intention of orchestrating kidnapping. Who is Eto?